violations in connection with licensing. Okay? Driving without valid driver's license or conductor's permit, magkano? 3,000 plus 1 year suspension. So, bawal po tayong humawak ng sasakyan pag wala tayong driver's license. Driving a motor vehicle used in the commission of a crime. Diba? Driving a motor vehicle used in the commission of a crime. So, ginamit natin yung motor vehicle natin. Meron pala siyang crime issues. Diba? Meron na pala siyang crime issues. Some of you, hindi natin alam yun, diba? Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng gamit din ng sasakyan. Kasi gusto natin maging comfortable or wala lang, gusto lang natin mag-drive. Pero hindi nyo alam, gamit pala yun ginamit pala siya sa crime. Meron kayong sagot dun. Magkano? 10,000 and perpetual.